Hey everyone, are you looking for a way to showcase your products in a more interactive and engaging way? Do you want to create lasting impressions on your potential customers? If so, you have come to the right place. We all know those classical visualization videos of products, for example, but is that really the best way to present your own product on, for example, on your website? Today I will show you an alternative way you maybe never saw before, which is more interactive and will convince your customers directly. Now let's talk about the traditional way of showcasing your products through 3D product visualization videos. These videos can be great, but they have one major drawback: the lack of interactivity. Viewers can't interact with the product and they can't explore it from different angles. This means that they may not get a complete understanding of what your product has to offer, how it works, and which can then in the end lead to lost sales and missed opportunities. And that's where my virtual showrooms come in. With our virtual showrooms, your customers can interact with your products as if they were in a physical showroom. They can explore the products from different angles, zoom in and out, and even interact with them in real time to try them out and see how they work. This gives them a much better understanding of what your product has to offer, which can lead to increased sales and better customer satisfaction and less returns. And one of the best things about our virtual showrooms is that they are easily accessible to everyone with a web browser. This means that your customers can access them from anywhere in the world at any time without needing any special equipment like VR glasses or a good gaming PC. All they need is an internet connection and a device with a web browser, and they can start exploring your products in our virtual showrooms. But why should you invest in a virtual showroom for your brand? Well, there are several benefits. First, it shows that you are a forward-thinking company which is innovative, that is willing to embrace new technology to improve the customer's experience. And second, it also allows you to showcase your products in a way that's more engaging and interactive, which can lead to increased sales and better customer satisfaction and also more recommendations. And the third thing is that it will set you apart from your competitors who may still using traditional 3D product visualization videos. So in conclusion, if you are looking for a way to showcase your products in a more interactive and engaging way, then you should definitely consider investing in a virtual showroom. With our virtual showrooms, you can provide your customers with a unique and immersive experience that will help to increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. So what you're waiting for? Contact us today to learn more about our virtual showroom solutions. Now you may think, wow, this sounds awesome, but big companies like Meta are already spending millions in the development of applications like those and are still not done. So this might be too expensive or take too long. Right, but we created frameworks over the time which make the process much easier and save a lot of time and money. So our agency currently is able to create applications like you see in the background in around like 3 months or even less, depending on the complexity, of course. But the prices also depends on the complexity and also on the requirements and the amount of features and details you want to have, basically. So every exhibition and shop we make is very different from each other, and that's why we offer a first free strategy session you can easily book for free. And in this strategy session we will check if our applications can also benefit your products or services. And we will also see how something like this could look for your brand. So you can easily book your first free strategy session over the link in the description, and I'm looking forward to bring your business to the next level using virtual spaces like this. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.